Can you show me what you got in your basket? What else did you get in your Easter basket?
What is Easter chocolate?
More Easter chocolate. What is that over there, the yellow thing? Achoo! Achoo! Oh, what's that? An egg? What's that fuzzy, soft yellow thing?
Oh.
What's that little one over there? That soft one?
Where?
That yellow one. That, yeah, what's that?
A chick.
A chick. Oh, is he soft?
Yeah. Was he that in this picture? Can
Yeah.
you see that?
Yeah. Show me your Easter bunny. Oh, what's that?
A pinwheel.
A pinwheel. You got that from the Easter bunny too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look. That's an egg.
An egg? Oh, something inside.
Yeah. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Darf ich das machen, Papa?
Ja.
Okay. Erst diese Seite.